Hello guys, magandang hapon sa lahat. Ayan guys, hindi napuyat ako kagabi dahil nag-celebrate kami ng 18th birthday ng aking anak. Ayun, hindi ako nakapag-vlog guys dahil ang gusto ng anak ko hindi ibablog ang birthday niya, ipa-private lang. So respect naman natin guys kung anong gusto ng ating anak. Wala namang masyadong ganap guys, kundi na nagpo-blow lang siya ng cake. Ito nga pala, may cake pang natira kagabi sa kanyang birthday celebration. Kape muna tayo. Ito, black coffee. Masarap ang black coffee minsan guys. Ayun, walang masyadong ganap, kundi nag-blow lang siya ng cake, tapos kunting salo-salo. Ganun lang guys. Nag-enjoy naman ang lahat. Ayun, pasalamat tayo kay Papa God. Bigyan pa tayo ng healthy na ating pangangatawan. Ngayon guys, bago ako lalabas, papasyal ko kayo guys sa magandang view dito sa Mandalpan. Pero dito lang sa malapit sa may amin guys, mayroon kasing parisan dito na masarap dito. Sa third floor nun, matatanaw mo magandang tanawin dito sa Mandalpan. Kaya po tayo. Sarap talaga ng cake ng red ribbon. Time sheet tayo. 4:30 ng hapon. Bye guys! Pili lang tayo ng gusto natin. Ayan, masarap na guys. Pala dito guys. Wawa.
In my bed, you'll see only lonely things. I'm into the thought that it's silence in my heart. It's just my own
pesos. 20 pesos ang order ng plain na local dito guys. Okay, bye.
I said it's fine. I feel this way sometimes. Only a minute more. Just some hours pass by. They said it wouldn't be so easy, but I can say with love I'll smile again. I can promise you I'll be fine. I can promise you I'll be fine. I'll just stay in my loneliness, in my bed. You'll see only lonely things. I'm into the thought that it's silence in my heart. It's just my own self and some sirens on the way. I can promise